In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a payment method on Xoom. While it would be convenient to delete a saved credit card with a single click, Xoom currently doesn't allow users to fully remove a stored payment method from the web portal once it's added. But don't worry, there are practical steps you can take to reach the same goal and protect your billing information moving forward. First, the most reliable path is to contact Xoom support and request removal. Open Xoom's support page in your browser, sign into your account, and submit a request under a billing or payment category. In your message, clearly state that you want your credit card information removed from your account. Keep your explanation brief and factual, and be prepared to verify your account by providing the details they request, such as your account email and basic billing information. It's helpful to save the ticket confirmation and watch your inbox for follow-ups, as support may ask clarifying questions before proceeding. If your main aim is to prevent future charges, cancel your subscription before you ask for the card to be removed. You can do this through your billing section in the web portal. Canceling closes out the active plan and often reduces complications when you ask support to purge stored payment details. After the cancellation is confirmed, return to your support ticket or open a new one, and restate that your subscription is canceled and you want the saved payment method removed. If there's a renewal date in the future, make sure you understand when the cancellation takes effect so you're not charged again. If Xoom still doesn't allow deletion on your account, a practical workaround is to replace the card on file. Go to Billing Information and choose Edit to update the payment method. If you're concerned about keeping a card on file, consider using a virtual or temporary card from your bank or card issuer. These options let you set limits or generate single-use numbers, which can reduce risk while still satisfying Xoom's requirement to keep a payment method on record. A couple of final tips. Policies can change, so always check Xoom's latest billing documentation when you start this process. Keep records of your cancellation confirmation, invoices, and support ticket numbers. And if you manage multiple Xoom products, make sure all plans are canceled before you request card removal. Follow these steps, and you'll either have your payment method removed by support, or, at minimum, ensure your account won't be charged and that a safer card is on file.